Good morning, Slits.
Good morning, Chanel.
My name is Chanel Oberlin, and I am the queen of Kappa Kappa Tau.
Right, hey guys, what's up? Also, I know, I'm in a different location. I'm still in my mom's house, but when I get home, I will be in my car or my kitchen, my two favorite places. Okay? But until then, just deal with the location swaps. So today, I thought that I would make something that I really wanted to try, but since I'm here, my mom's in a small town, without a Starbucks, I can't. So I went on Google, and I found this funny channel. I forgot what it was, but I'll link her in the description below. She like works at Starbucks and makes like the drinks at home. Well, I thought after watching one of her videos about the tie-dye Frappuccino, I was like, I want to make it. So this is not a how-to, because just go to watch her channel if you want to know how to. Because mine, I took her recipe and I tweaked it a little bit. And so this will probably be a watch me, you know, just for entertainment. You know? Sorry, someone's sleeping next to me. How rude. Anyways, let's go to the kitchen and get this Frappuccino going. So things you need. A glass. Some bananas. Hers were frozen, so I froze mine. I just cut them up. And this is where my recipe differs, is I use French vanilla creamer and milk instead of just milk. Of course, whipped cream. And also, this is where it differs, is she had powdered food coloring. I just have the liquid. And then some ice. So we're gonna do about a half cup. A half cup of the size of your cup, not just a half cup. Well, I guess, let me put more in there. There, that's a half cup. Okay. Then a half cup of ice. And with the milk, I like to add like a fourth of this cup. Half milk, half French vanilla creamer. So, bam, that's actually like, yeah, that's about a third. Pour it in. Perfect! Add some yellow food coloring. I don't know, that looks like a good amount to me. That looks really good and yellowy. Alright, we gotta work faster. Let me open these up first. Also, I don't think I have a straw, dang it. So let's... You only need a little bit because this stuff is very strong. Oh. Should I even use red? I mean, not red. Green. I don't know if I should even use green. Oh, so I put it all around the sides, different colors, blue, red, blue, red. I'm not gonna use green. That's a lie. I'll use a little bit. But I feel like it kind of is ugly. But I mean, we'll do it. I wanna know what love is. Oh my god, that looks beautiful! Oh, I put too much. Oops. Oh, okay, there we go. It's spilling out the side. How does that look? Perfect! So, besides the fact that I put too much and spilling everywhere, it looks really good. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. I'm gonna clean it up and drink it, and I hope you make it at home. Alright, bye guys.